Hi, Omar here from Leadpages. For as long as Leadpages has existed, we've helped people build high-converting landing pages. And Page Studio is the next evolution of that mission. Over the years, you told us what you need more of when building pages. Page Studio is our response to that feedback. This isn't just a reskin of our old builder, it's a rebuild from the ground up. Today, Page Studio gives you a more flexible layout system with pixel-level precision. It introduces global styles, so you can theme your pages instantly for your campaigns or brand kit, along with more capable forms to support richer data collection for your campaigns. Everything you see in Page Studio today is about going from an idea to a live page with more control and confidence. As you start to use Page Studio, we'll start to roll out a series of workflow tutorials focused on what's available right now while we continue to build into our roadmap. With that, I'll pass it over to Eric to share what's coming up next.
Thanks, Omar. Page Studio really does set the foundation for what's ahead. We're continuing to expand analytics, giving you clearer insight into where your traffic is coming from, how visitors behave, and what actually drives conversions. Split testing and visual insights are all a part of that journey, so you can test different versions of your pages and see which ones perform better. You'll also see new capabilities rolling out, including pop-ups, multi-step forms, and more advanced ways to interact with your visitors, all designed to help you capture more leads and build more dynamic campaigns without adding complexity. And importantly, Page Studio sets us up for something we're really excited about. Soon, you'll be able to tell us what you want to create, and we'll use AI and our years of conversion data to generate pages for you. Describe your offer, your audience, what action you want your visitors to take, and we'll build the first draft. Then you can use Page Studio's flexibility to customize and refine exactly what you want before you launch. As you explore Page Studio, we'd really love to hear your feedback. You can share it anytime using the feedback button within the builder. It goes directly to our team, and it helps us shape what we build next.
Thanks for that, Eric. We're really excited to have you start building with Page Studio. This is just the beginning, and we'll be evolving it alongside your feedback as we go.